Hi. Welcome to another video of CyberSci, a channel where we cover anything related to tech and science. So make sure to subscribe and not miss any of our future videos. So in this video we are going to see how we can enhance our picture quality using Adobe Photoshop. There are two steps most people take to refine their photo quality. It ain't gonna make your 1.5 megapixel picture look like it's taken on Sony a6100, but it'll still do the trick. So let's open up our picture on Photoshop and let's get to work. I found this picture online and it already has a decent quality. But you can still see the pixelated area when you zoom in. So we'll go over the steps of refining it. First up, we need to change the resolution by adjusting pixel dimensions. Click the shortcut, Alt plus Control plus I, and it should open up the image size control window. To maintain the current ratio of width to height, be sure the chain icon linking these properties is activated. Under Dimensions, change the value of the resolution to a higher number. The new file size for the image appears at the top of the Image Size dialog box. Select Resample and choose an interpolation method. Since we are enlarging our picture, set it to bicubic smoothing. If your image has layers with styles applied to them, select Scale Styles under the gear icon to scale the effects. When you are finished, click OK to resample your resized image. And it should improve your picture. You can zoom in and out of the picture to see the difference made. The second method is to reduce the noise. To do that, we have to navigate to Filter and go to Noise and hit Reduce Noise. Once the Reduce Noise window is open, set the strength to maximum. And reduce the Preserve Details value by a little. And leave the rest as it is and hit OK. It ain't gonna make a big difference, but it'll still be useful for pictures with a depreciated quality. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Consider subscribing and getting consistent, well-descripted tech tutorials.